Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to create a waterfall chart in Tableau and its use cases. Hey, it's your friend Srikanth, who is a Tableau practitioner, trainer on Tableau. So without any further delay, let's start building waterfall chart in Tableau. Currently, we are using sample superstore dataset. So let's take subcategory into the view, into the columns, and profit onto rows. So it will be sum of profit. And to make a waterfall chart, we need to select Gantt bar in marks card. And then let's bring sum of profit into size and sum of profit into color. Ascending order or descending order. So a waterfall chart is created in Tableau. We can format these lines, we can remove these lines and publish the same in the real-time cases. As we also discussed, we'll be discussing the use cases of waterfall charts in Tableau. So these are the different types of use cases wherein we'll be dealing with these waterfall charts in real-time scenarios for financial analysis in analyzing the income statements and expenses breakdowns. It can be also used for sales performance, like as we did in profit. And also it can be used in project management where we can track the project progress and to identify the areas of improvement. Along with this, we can also use an inventory management to visualize the inventory changes and make it easier to manage stock level efficiency. In general, a waterfall chart can be used to observe uh, pain areas or the areas which are needed to be concentrated in a data. So that's all for this day. Thank you. And let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing. Thank you.